Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to make a poll Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to make a poll Microsoft Teams on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. To make a poll, just direct the cursor to the left of the screen. Here there is a sidebar menu with several menu options. Tap the chat menu here. Now then tap the new chat menu here. Enter the destination account here. To send a picture, direct the cursor to the lower left corner. Here there are several menu options. Tap the plus icon. Next, a menu like this will appear. Tap the polls menu. Now here the input menu will appear to create a poll. Type questions here. Next you can manage the answers to the poll you created. You can also add answers here. When finished, tap the preview below. So that's it, tutorial how to make a poll Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.